So now let's see how we can fix action cam footage inside of guided edit mode. So if I were to go around onto the guided edit mode right here, I can go around and choose video adjustments and then select out fix action cam footage. Once I do that, I'm going to go around and add a media and go to files and folders and choose a media of my choice right here and then click on open. So over here you can see that I have this video clip and I'm going to go around and drag it onto my timeline right here. And it says find the best scenes and adjust color and remove lens distortion right here. So let me just go around and click on next and select out the video clip right here just like this and click on next over here. So it is suggesting me to open up the tool panel on the right here, and it is asking me to use the smart trim, and it is analyzing out the footage right here to detect out the action scenes. And now it says the smart trim will automatically do that right here, and it says take some time, but it's already there right here. We can go around and use this out right here and analyze it out even more right here, just like this. So let me just go around and stick to this and click on next, and you can go around and preview out your footage right here, just like this, and then you can preview out the footages that are selected, as you can see. Let me just click on next right here, just like this, so you can see that it has been previewed already right here, and now it says click on export merged right here, so that it's exported as one particular footage. So now to fix the lens correction, it is asking me to go to effects right here and go to lens distortion right here, just like this, and drag and drop it out on my video clip right here. So now it says move the curvature slider right here, just like this. So you can see that this is the lens distortion right here. Let me just go around and pull it out right here so that I can see more. And it says I can go around and pull out the curvature to change out the lens distortion that I may have right here. You can also go around and change around vertical decentering, horizontal decentering right here, and change around the lens effect, as you can see, just like this right here, and get the ones you want. So if I were to go around and click on next, now it is asking me to go to adjustments right here and then in color, as you can see right here, and select the appropriate hue right here, just like this, and then click on next right here. And then this is what you have, as you can see. So you can see that the lens distortion is different right here, and it's more vivid right here, and you just got the actions over here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and utilize the fix action cam footage inside of guided edit mode. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.